Cert and Indices Practice Exam Question 17. Evaluate the following using index law. So we've got negative 27 to the power of 1 over 3. So that is saying the cubed root of negative 27. So for me to think about it like that, I could say the cube root of negative 27. Now, another way I could think about it is I could just look at 27 and straight away think, well, how do I get 27? I know 3 times 3 times 3 is 27, which is what this cube is saying. So that just means here I could say, well, it must be negative 3. I can double check by going negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3. Negative and negative is a positive, positive 9, and 9 times negative 3 is negative 27. So we've got our first answer. The second is 32 to the power of 2/5. Now, the first thing I want us to think about here is, again, really think about what that means. So another way of thinking about that is saying that I'm looking at 5 numbers that times together to equal 32. So 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, and 16 times 2 equals 32. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Now that is what it would be if it was just 1/5, but I'm just going to move this down a minute and show you. So I could rewrite this as 2 to the power of 5 in brackets to the power of 2/5. Now one thing that we know is that when we are solving using our understanding of index law, to the power of 5 to the power of 2/5, that means these two are timesing together. So in actual, it's saying I've got 5 times 2/5. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 divided by 5 is 2. So it's saying I've got 2 to the power of 2. And that's what that 2 up here means. It's saying I want 2 lots of those 2. 2 squared is 4.